Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses, model GG0003SN in color code 002. The color frame is black. On its temples are protective bags to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are green. On its temples, you'll find the Gucci logo. And its temples are green and red. This is the inside of the frame. And both temples are the same. You'll also find the Gucci logo on its top right lens. On its inner right temple is again the Gucci logo in gold, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 21 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. These glasses are also square shaped. They also come with a Gucci case, although color and style may vary, a Gucci dust bag, a white Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci envelope which holds a Gucci card of authenticity, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is from Kering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.